Hey, I'm Caleb with Wolff Industries. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're looking at one of our most asked questions. What's the difference between the standard, industrial, and professional twice as sharp models? So stick around as we get into it. The twice as sharp scissor sharpening system is available in several different models. The main three are the standard twice as sharp, the industrial twice as sharp, and the professional twice as sharp. The differences between these models comes down to wheel combination and the types of scissors that you're looking to sharpen. The standard twice as sharp comes with the 100 grit sharpening wheel and the standard buffing wheel on the right here. The standard model is designed to sharpen home and sewing scissors quickly and easily. The buffing wheel is a softer wheel that will allow you to polish a shiny cosmetic finish. The industrial twice as sharp comes with the standard 100 grit sharpening wheel and an industrial honing wheel. The industrial model is designed to sharpen shears quickly and efficiently without the need for a cosmetic edge. This is perfect for manufacturing facilities that need to sharpen quickly and get the scissors back on the floor. The professional twice as sharp comes with the standard 100 grit sharpening wheel and a professional honing wheel. The professional honing wheel has a higher polishing grit when compared to the other two models. This is designed to get a highly polished, shiny edge for high quality fabric shears, pet grooming shears, and then also for low-end barber and beauty shears that have a beveled edge. For more details and specs, you can visit twiceassharp.com to see the comparisons between the three models. We also have a model for food processors that's the same as the industrial model, but the accessories included are catered to a food-safe environment. So that's just a quick look at the different models of the twice as sharp. Remember, the main difference is the honing wheel that's included with the machine. We have more videos coming in this series on the twice as sharp, including how to sharpen and maintenance, so don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon so you don't miss out when it gets posted. And lastly, be sure to check out twiceassharp.com for more specs and details on the twice as sharp. And if you have any questions, be sure to give us a call, shoot us an email, or comment below and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.